Every transformation begins with a simple wish: to refresh a living space with less time, less cost, and less disruption. Today, DIY is more than a way to decorate. It is a global lifestyle trend. Akadeco is the international brand of Hunan Sunye Décor Materials Co., Limited. With 30 years of industry experience, we serve DIY home retailers, home improvement chains, and interior decoration channels worldwide. We do more than supply products. We work with our customers to build the next generation of home upgrade categories. We believe great products do not begin on the production line. They begin with real consumer needs. We visit markets across different countries, study retail environments and shopping behavior, and track emerging colors and materials. Then we turn first-hand market insight into the next product opportunity for our customers. Across wall, floor, window, and furniture upgrades, akadeco continues to innovate in materials, design, packaging, and retail presentation. Our R&D team develops more than 100 new patterns every month, turning emerging trends into practical DIY solutions that consumers can see, use, and feel confident buying. From raw material management and production to quality control, packaging, and shipment, every step serves one goal: bringing ideas to market with consistency. Our monthly capacity reaches up to 80 40-foot containers, with lead times ranging from 7 to 35 days depending on the product and order plan. For international retailers, a reliable supply chain means greater control and lower operational risk. We also know that a product succeeds through more than the product itself. The right assortment, price positioning, display strategy, and consumer communication all matter. That is why we provide samples and catalogs, shelf and showroom design, installation and marketing videos, market reports, and trend analysis, supported by tailored plans for different retail channels. Our goal is not simply to complete an order, but to grow category value together. Today, akadeco products reach more than 30 countries and regions, and over 10,000 chain stores worldwide. In selected customer projects, we have helped drive sales growth of 70 to 400% in wall decoration categories, with category reorder rates above 75%. Behind these numbers are choices proven in real markets and trust built through long-term partnership. At akadeco, customers are not simply buyers. They are partners in creating new markets. Looking ahead, we will continue to identify trends, advance innovation, and deliver with confidence. Together with partners around the world, we will make better living spaces easier to create and unlock new possibilities for retail growth. Akadeco, your global trend and supply chain innovation partner for DIY home upgrades.